Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Phil's Bills. Today, we're making a knick-knack rack. Let's make one. All right. First step in making a knick-knack rack is cutting some angle iron. That whole rack is made out of 1 inch, 1/8 inch thick angle iron. So what we got to do now is get these things chopped up. The ends at 45, so when they come together, they make a nice 90, not like that, but you get the idea. So let's get to cutting. All right, we're over here at the saw. This bad beast of a cold saw. We're about to cut our first cut on this piece of angle iron. 45 degrees. Gonna slice right through it. Now you're looking, you may say, well, Philip, if it's clamped in the saw, why is there an extra clamp on here? Well, if this thing isn't really clamped down well, it will throw it across the shop. Ask me how I know. Let's get it cut. All right, we got our first piece cut, and this is what we're going for. We have 45 at the bottom and the top opposing each other, and the way we get that is that once we make our first cut like this, like this, we have to rotate the piece like this way. So we rotated it down and then make our second cut to get our 45s. So we can get them to fit together. Speaking of fit, I have a 45 right here. So 45 right there. Oh. And the thing about this saw, it cuts so clean, the fitment on it is really, really tight. Tight fitment is good fitment. So we got one piece done, we got a bunch more to do, so let's get the cut. go. We got the knick-knack rack, little organizer, all finished up. Very simple project. Made really cheap. Angle iron's very cheap. This little reclaimed wood's really cheap. This one does look a little different from what we have on the wall in there, just to show that there's infinite options on how you could create your own piece. The finish I rubbed on here was actually linseed oil. Linseed oil makes steel look amazing and kind of protects it as well. Also the way you attach the wood, I use this wood because this is what I had. I didn't have any of the other wood. The other wood I had was actually pretty thick and it filled up the whole frame. This is just what I had in stock. But you could put anything in here and you could attach it like any way you would want to either. I just used these little tabs and just welded them in. Had a